Hello everyone, I am Ye. We are Team 24, the Nutrition Factory. Our project is aimed at helping individuals assess their daily physical health by collecting daily body data from users to determine their current physical health status and provide relevant recommendations. In the health recording section, users are required to input their height, weight, age, blood pressure, and heart rate. After clicking the Submit button, the data will be stored in the Personal Data section, and a pie chart will be generated. The implementation of the health record and the recording of personal data are accomplished by using JavaScript, which can store and retrieve data locally. Next, my team member will introduce the health tracking section.
Hello everyone, this is Xining Feng. My part in this project is to develop health tracking. It contains two parts. The first one is about BNI value. It will get the value from the local storage and then use the function to calculate the BNI value. The second one is about the heart rate. It also will get a value from the local storage about the heart rate, and then it will give the typical heart rate around the user's age. Also, it will give some suggestion about the depends on the heart rate is higher or lower than the typical heart rate.
The Health Advisor section is the core of the entire project. It generates customized diet and exercise plans for users based on collected data. The Health Advisor section utilizes JavaScript to make data calls and perform calculations. Next, my team member will introduce our team.
Hello everyone, here's Jun here. Let me introduce something about our teams and project. First is about the possibility feature of the plan of the project. We're aiming to enhance our software by combining them with the external hardware device, such as glucose meter, pulse oximeter. The combination of hardware and software can provide users an easier healthy monitoring experience. They can track their data in a convenient way and receive a reliable personal health report. Now introducing our team. We share the same dream that everyone can enjoy their life with a healthy body. Our target is to design not only technically sound, but also user-friendly projects. We want every individual to find the benefits from the technology.